So guys, I'm in my work today. So we're gonna do the cleaning stuff because our washroom are plugged. So let's do this. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daisy here, and for today's video, I will show you how to unclog your toilet bowl if it's stuck. Stay tuned. Vileda plunger power plus maximum plus control. So this is how it looks like, and that's the instruction. You just follow it. This is the way you use it. Toilet bowls, unfold the cup to unclog classic rounded toilets. Sink and taps, push the cup in to unclog. So that's the way, the instruction, guys. So let's see now. Guys, we have to check what this looks like. So it's stuck up, guys. We're gonna try now to see if it's, if it's toilet, you open this thing here. Oh, is it opening or not? And you just push it like this, right? Few times. Good thing there's no pool here. Good. Yes, guys, got it. Okay, let's flush it again. It's flushed now. Open or out all the time when you flush it. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next one.